The proof of your conviction is in the sacrifice and how much of yourself is invested in making it a reality. Good morning. How are you doing today? Hope your week is going well. Well, my name is Victor Quager, your business success coach and consultant. And once again, I come your way with a business building blogs, episode 41 for 2023. Now, when you are 100% convinced that your goals are within your grasp, you will do anything to extend your reach to deliver. You will not only work your plans, you will find a way to make your plans work, irrespective of the limitations or circumstances that you face. Conviction is personal and key to success because it activates in us a sense of possibility, irrespective of any challenges that may be present now or along the way. The one with conviction, I can assure you, will always outperform and last longer than the one with just a plan. And I hope you have conviction in what you seek to achieve or already engage with. Thank you once again. If you like the post, please like it, share it with your network, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do not hesitate to subscribe to the channel. And as a business success coach and consultant, I'll be more than glad to help you if you desire to start your business, identify opportunities, evaluate them, write a business plan, seek investors. I'm more than glad to help you. And if you're already an existing business seeking to grow and expand your business into new markets, get investors on board, and devise new strategies to be able to help you to grow, I'll be more than glad to help you as well. And get ready for our podcast. It is very close, very close, very close. We are very close at launch. Get ready for it. Okay, and finally, if 2023 is the year you desire to write and publish your book, do not hesitate to take advantage of this book writing workshop, which we have put together for you. Check the description section. There's a link there that you can click into it and register your interest, which is the book writing workshop is on Saturday, 18th of March at 8 p.m. GMT. It's an online event, so you can join from anywhere in the world. We had the first program in January this year, and it was excellent and it was a great success. All those who came have testified. They've shared their reviews. If you check our pages, you find them there. The testimonials from those who partook or who were part of the first workshop. This is the second edition. I hope to take advantage of it. And if you already have got a ready manuscript and you'd like to publish your book, get in touch. Our Vike Springs Publishing Limited publishing house is ever ready to help you with 100% customer satisfaction, ever ready to help you to publish your book and make them available worldwide. Get in touch. I'm more than glad to help you. Thank you once again, and God richly bless you. I look forward to coming again soon. Thank you.